Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are back after an amazing week from yesterday. We are back here to discuss what the continuation is going to look like. Uh, Started seeing market push to the downside as we opened up for this week on Sunday. Around 5 o'clock, we've been pushing lower. I believe we're looking at the daily right now. We definitely probably pushing to these lows right. We're already about to feel this wick on the daily. So let's drop down to a lower time frame and see what the hourly look. Oh yeah, we just pouring. We just pouring down. So weekly open right here. Wicked up a little bit, and I saw that wick up. I was watching it when the market opened. They also increased the spread, so it was pretty much a no trade situation. It was a no trade situation. So you had to have the catch a sale pretty much at about 6, 7 o'clock. I mean, you had a wick to fill right here if you waited for this to close. It did close below this low right here. So that was confirmation. Well, this one closed this low for the opening candle for the week, pretty much. And then we had a wick created, and price filled that wick. So that was a good entry. Sorry, they got to look a little live bugging me right now. So, nonetheless, we gone. Hold on right quick. We'll take a quick break. Hold on 1 second, guys. What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's going on, brother?
Ain't nothing. You already know.
I already know, man. Back at it.
Back at it. Yeah, it's just talking about some of them entries I was taking last week.
Yep.
Basically, I was just letting you know about that big ass wick that happened. I think it was on Monday. Yeah, it was on Monday. It was Australian news, high news, and during the Asian session at 11 o'clock, and it got like a motherfucker. I think I noted it on Telegram last week when we had started the week off.
Yeah.
But I knew that price jump was just to take out these stop losses, grab some more liquidity because it was going down,
Mm-hmm.
and I caught sales above there.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah, I had sales hanging way up here at the top.
So what did you get in on? Like on a 15 minute?
5.15, yeah, because I saw
Mm.
it shooting up, and then I saw it starting to reject, and it didn't go any higher. So I was like, yeah, and I knew that it was like it's Asian session. It shouldn't be having this much volatility to go damn near shit. What it went almost 70 pips, roughly 60, 70 pips. But just out the blue.
Oh my gosh.
So I was like, yeah, that's manipulation. Like I'm on Monday too. So yeah, I took sales and captured all. That's why I said last week was crazy.
Yeah. Last week was really nice, man. Just shows what what patience, what it
Hmm.
gives you.
Hmm. And I saw these buys coming back up. I was like, oh yeah, we about to fill this wick probably and go higher. But I was like, when it
That's what I
didn't fill a
called it.
wick, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
When it didn't completely fill a wick, I was like, well, it got to go above here to finish filling a wick. And
Correct.
it never did that. It turned around. But when I saw it drop down right here and didn't take out this low, I was like, okay, maybe it might turn around right here and continue to fill a wick. So I caught buys right there that morning.
Mm.
And then once it didn't completely go up and show signs that it wanted to take out this high, plus these rejections I saw, and also I saw this little imbalanced gap of price right here that I knew price likes to turn around at, and I saw this consolidation right here, also stemming from this support now turn resistance. I saw all that calculate. Okay, we might be turning around right here, and I put in a sell position right here, and that hoe just melted. Woke up in the morning, melted. I ain't getting no trades because I was already in from up here.
Mm-hmm.
And as you can see, we still
We're
carrying
still
the
running.
trend.
Yeah.
We still running. Still running.
So let me ask you, are you still in that trade?
No, I am not in that trade. I got out even on the tester because it started reversing on the
Good move.
15 minute.
Yeah, secure that.
Oh yeah.
That was a
Oh
hell of a
yeah.
move. So yeah,
Oh yeah.
close that week and it's a whole new one. So
All day.
yeah, man.
So yeah. Plus, I don't want to get into a habit of holding testers for weeks because then your bias start to stick in that mode, especially if your pips are growing.
Mm-hmm.
You'll be like, it's bullish, it's bullish. But yeah, man. I mean, any targets you see? Now we got a daily target of a low that it looks like it could keep dropping down to continue to.
Yeah, but on the 4 hour,
Uh huh.
I can see it kind of hitting. It could reject around, I don't know,
69.70.
77, almost like 7,000, at 7,000 area on the 4 hour.
Gotcha.
If not, then you got at 69.50, 69.50, 69.55 area on the 4 hour that it can hit. And but
I
I'm
like that. I like that 69.90
yeah.
as a first target. And if it 69.50.
Yeah. I'm actually in a sale right now. I got in at 8 o'clock.
That's what I was just saying. If you
If
in the
you,
1 hour,
yeah, 1 hour, and then I entered off the 15 minute just because it
the right hit at 6,
yeah,
and you
yep,
got this wicket created, and
and
you
that's when
got
I got, yep,
another wicket. Yeah, perfect.
on a 15 minute it created a another lower high and lower low, and when it broke that one right there, that's when I got in.
Got you.
Yeah.
That's
So
all.
but yeah, I really do think you can get another 10 to 20 pips out of this move. Um,
Oh yeah, like straight to 7,000 flat.
yep, easy.
Yeah, because that's a round number. The algorithms love to go to those round numbers. So yeah, I can easily see that just off of just round number.
The way the week closed last week, that's the only reason why I'm like, yeah, they can definitely
Oh
hit
yeah,
that area. So, and if you can look on the weekly, like you got it up right now, we just hit a retest area because it broke the bottom, right there. What is that? The week of May, the
right
beginning,
here. Yeah, the first week of May,
first week of May, right there.
second week.
And then because it finally broke below a strong support, like a double bottom, it's going to retest that area. So it retested and got back into the zone of 70, 72, 80. And now we're starting to
And you see, all it did was just fill that weekly wick, like we said a couple of weeks ago.
come on, man.
That's all it did. Fill that wick, took out the highs, and turned exactly around.
So if this goes and follows suit, you can sit in this trade for like a week or two, and I can see it filling up that traffic and continue going. Like, I'm talking, yeah, it can
That'll
possibly
be the
fill
sell
that
of the
week.
year.
It's sell of the year. There you go.
Yeah, if it continues down and closes below this hot area right here, which is 69.70, if it
Mm,
on a daily, and
yeah.
then continues down and close below these wicks,
Yes.
yeah, that was the sell. If you missed this sale,
There you
if
go.
you missed the sale in March, the way it didn't take out the last lower high of the previous year,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that was the sale. And it's just a continuation of it. So I feel like it's kind of, I don't know. We closed below an important area, 70.35. That was a real strong area. We did close below that on the 4 hour. The next strongest area I would say would be 7,000 right here where I got it, because you got consolidation a little bit right here, a little pullback. You got resistance right here. You got all these wicks showing support. You got these wicks showing support. And then
Yeah.
you right here at that. So I could see that as the next hot area, which is looking like it's definitely gonna hit.
Yep.
And the new
And that
next high would
was
be 69.50. So what's
yep,
that? 7,000 flat to 69.50. That's 50 pips.
50 pips.
50 pips.
Yeah. What you took a look at news yet? What we looking like for news for this week?
I'm about to pull it up. This.
It's about to be a hot summer, bro. Make sure you got swimming trunks and tank tops and stuff like
Bro,
that.
I'm gonna tell you like this. For the past 2 weeks, all I've been wearing was swimming trunks. I got like 8 pairs of swimming trunks. They feel comfortable, and I'm ready to jump in the pool if need be. So it's like a double positive.
Oh, bro.
For
I got floaties and everything because it getting real deep.
real. Ready to jump in the deep end.
Deep in the profits.
Let's see. this week, I need to log in.
Shout out to Piff the guy, man. Birthday just passed. Born day.
Nah, big facts.
At
Shout out to
30.
that boy.
And in his 30s now, man. Time flies.
For real?
Yeah, boy, 31.
Damn, bro, I'm old as shit. I thought that boy was like 30. That nigga's always young.
hmm
So tomorrow we got one piece of news for Australian dollar coming in the PM session, Asian session. We
Tomorrow?
have tomorrow on Monday, yeah, in the
Got you.
morning news.
Okay.
Tuesday, same thing. Evening, afternoon news. Australian dollar on 7:30, 6:30. Wednesday.
hmm
Wow. Oh,
Heaviness.
interest rate.
Buys.
Oh,
Buys.
interest rate. And they saying it's about to go up. Look at the consensus, 1.5. Currently it's at 1. They say it's about to go up, which I think that's what they said. They're about to raise rates again.
For the, of course, it's gonna be going on for a minute. Like
Yeah, the
heavy
rest of the year.
into recession mode. Yeah,
So
that's a buy.
Wednesday, that boy said bye. Then he having a press conference, so he about to do more talking. Oh yeah, this is gonna be crazy. And then you got
And it
Australia unemployment rate coming out the same night, evening.
so it may be a no trade day depending on what's
How
going
how
on
yeah how
Wednesday.
fast it move?
Yes, it can be very, very volatile. But see, like you said, you have that high news for Australian dollar in the evening.
Right,
That'll be a perfect one to get in overnight.
right. But and be cautious because you got backdoor jobless claims coming out Thursday morning. So you
Mm-mm.
don't know if they expecting for that news to carry the trend. So you gotta this week could be great for just breakout trades, but then he's speaking again. Lord have mercy on Friday.
Yeah,
It's
that dude need to
messed
stop,
up.
bro. He
Yeah,
know
he
what
need
he
to
doing.
stop. He need to stop. And it's early in the morning. So this week, I ain't gonna cap. This is gonna be a challenge because it's gonna be a challenge on being risk averse, not putting on too crazy heavy trades just because you see the market moving. And knowing that all this news, all this interest rate release, all this jobless claims, all this shit ain't doing nothing but setting up more volatility and more setups for the following week. So this is like when you trade and you see all these volatile markets move in the 5 minute, creating monstrous candles, and you start trading and you put on all these trades and it may reverse because they trying to run stop losses and grab liquidity so it keep going so you get stopped out and all you be like, damn, I'm losing all the profits I made last week. This probably could be that week that could happen on no cap, just because of all the back-to-back news.
Yes.
Like it's every day is news. It's no, I mean, especially for Australia every day. But yeah, man, this is something. I mean, you might want to catch a good position if you look at the daily and the 4 hour. You probably could catch a good position on Monday and Tuesday, but Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, yeah, you might want to just monitor what you did on Monday and Tuesday for the rest of the week because the markets could jump so crazy that you just gonna be chasing it. And if you chasing it, what's gonna happen is next week you go catch 100 pip burner that's go, but you ain't gonna be winning no profits. You're gonna be making back losses.
Facts. Facts.
And then you always gonna be like, damn man, it's always another trade every time, but I never can be
Yeah,
patient enough to wait for it. But
that's right.
there
I
it
mean, a
is.
good thing that I look at as far as like high news. You got a lot of high news back to back like that in the morning. I wait till the until the hour. Like let's say if the last news is at 7:30 or 8 o'clock or whatever, I won't enter a trade until that 9 o'clock candle on the
When
hour when it
all the when
opens.
you wait
When
for it to
all that stuff,
subside.
when all that stuff calms down, and then either if it moved in a direction that market structures already has set up, then you lost that trade. But if
Right.
it goes against you, that's an opportunity to get in, um, and then
Especially if
it'll
you got a
retest that
tester.
move.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Throw a tester in there and see.
Yeah.
That
Let
way you
that
can
get
get
fucked
rid of
up.
that FOMO. Yeah,
Yeah.
exactly. Let that get.
Don't let your top soldier go to war and then you out the game,
Yes,
nigga.
yes, yes.
Throw them scrubs out there, man.
No, that's a big facts. So,
So yeah,
um,
please be cautious. Don't look at all these news events and be like, oh damn, we about to run it up. Cause man, look at Wednesday, bro. It's like one, two, three, four, and granted they all coming around the same time, but
seven
five,
thirty.
six, seven, eight, 9, 10, 11 pieces of news for the U.S. on Wednesday.
And when the morning it stops at what 7:30? That's the last one.
1:30 or probably 12:30, cause I got mine set to New York time zone.
But that grace, what's like a break in between the morning and then an afternoon.
Yeah, 7:30 till 1 o'clock.
Yep. See, so like that 8 o'clock, that 4 o'clock candle, that's something I might get
You
in,
catch your reversals on.
catch and reverse.
Yeah.
But like you said, be patient, man. Don't try and jump into the double dutch if you never played.
And I'm gonna keep it cool, bro. What you said might work to your benefit because the interest rate news don't come out till 1 o'clock. So that 7:30 news, that's retail sales and shit. Not to say it ain't gonna move the market, but it's not the interest rate.
Mm-mm. Interest rate is gonna
So
be crazy.
yeah, that retail sales could really set up a nice little volleyball play for the interest rate to get spike that whole crazy. So yeah, this is gonna be an interesting week. So mark our
Hmm.
words on what we say on this live and watch this week play out to see. I'm gonna be hella cautious because I'm tired of having amazing weeks and then lose it and scale down on my trading size throughout the end of the week because I'm
Yeah.
in losses. Like I'm done with that shit.
Yep.
And the reason why I'm so done because I know I can make it back, but it's like, nigga, who want to keep doing, back and forward moving? Like we supposed to be walking forward, not forward and backwards.
Exactly. And like you want to be walking forward 10 steps and take a step back 2 steps.
Exactly. That's how I wanted to break it down. You got it.
Yeah.
Dead ass.
Because you're gonna have them days, but as
Oh yeah.
long as they short lived and it's not that much, like
And you
um
don't want to have weeks.
oh no.
That's your main thing. You want to have weeks of that, and it's all depend on your trading size too. Like a person that got like 5 million in their trading account, which is crazy, but maybe they could have a bad week because they worried about not having a bad month.
Mm-hmm.
You know,
Because a good month can put them up a couple of years.
big facts. But yeah, that's all we got for the news right now.
Cool.
What did the market hit that area? Down there. Look at that right there. I mean,
Really
where it closed
close.
on. Yeah,
I saw it rejected. I'm trying to see how it's gonna play on this.
just gotta wait for the hell to close, bro.
Yep. And it's not more. It's more so the 4 hour than the 1 hour to me, but still, see how I gotta close, like you said.
1 hour just open, right? I mean, a 4 hour.
Yes.
Nah, that's facts because this 4 hour just open. It's already showing strong signs of a reversal from 70 flat. And if it closes bearish, I mean bullish, that could be our first sign of reversals. Hold on 1 second, right quick, bro.
All right.
I'll be right. All right, we back. We back.
All right.
Ow, shit. Yeah. Hey, did you get in? Did you buy any GameStop shares when that shit was like going crazy during the pandemic?
No.
You didn't get in them trades?
Uh-uh.
Got you.
Why did you?
No, but I kind of wish I did. But I mean, that's with anything. After it goes away, everybody will be like, I kind of wish I got into
Yeah.
whatever what's up. Like, but I was. The only reason I brought it up, obviously, it's a damn dope ass documentary on it on Hulu, and it kind of break down how the retail traders took over the hedge funds with their call positions because the hedge funds was shorting that stock so much to where that if it ever turned around and went bullish on them, they was too heavily into the position to where it was gonna be difficult or damn near impossible for them to get out of the short. And
Mm-hmm.
that's exactly what happened. That shit went all the way to like $3 and shot up to I think the highest it went to was like 400 a share.
Yeah, bro.
I didn't know it got that bad. Like some of the banks and hedge funds had to get bailouts and shit.
Oh
Like
yeah.
I didn't even know that. Niggas went crazy. And this shit all stemmed from YouTube and Twitter.
Yeah, and Reddit too, huh?
That's where it popped off at. But
Okay.
it started on YouTube. Like the dude that was talking about it, bro, that nigga had 12 people following him and in his lives when he would do live analysis chats on GameStop and AMC, just like how we doing right now. He would only
Mm.
have like 12 people, and them same 12 people kind of got connected and befriended each other and shit, and became yada yada. But once it popped off on Reddit, yeah, that nigga YouTube turned up. Like he damn near made pretty much the most money off of being a retail trader off of that trade.
Wow.
Yeah, that nigga turned like 50 to 33, and that's all I'm gonna say.
Wait.
50 bands to 33 M's
Oh my gosh.
in 2 years.
Jeez. Dang.
Mhm. But yeah, that shit was crazy. Very interesting though.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna watch that.
Nah, you definitely need to watch. It's very interesting to see the power of the people when they can come together and shift the damn market. Because as we know, during that time, GameStop was going out of business, closing hundreds of stores every month.
Yep.
Mhm. Yeah, it's a light volume Sunday.
Yeah.
Just feeling wicks continuing to that zone pretty much.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty much all it was supposed to do. Algorithmic wise, I think they was trying to get to that 70 flat number.
And like you said, it pretty much did.
Yeah, that's the support right here. This is daily. This is old support. There's strong support right there that it just tapped. So we need a break below. A nice reversal and a strong break below.
Yep.
Me personally, I think it's gonna come back up in this zone. Right up in here. Or higher. Come back up in here and take more sales. But we gonna see. I'm like, this is red. How you been liking TradingView? You still been using it?
Yeah, yeah, I like it.
That's what's up.
I like it, man.
What's the high? Another key thing I was learning too that I found shows up a lot, or shows up in any market really, is a good area to monitor is the previous highs and lows of the previous daily candle, and see how the market trades into both sides, if it's bullish or bearish on the smaller time frame. Finding a lot of setups from those zones, those price levels, highs and lows, has been good, especially move as the market moves between the different time trading sessions.
Yeah, I think there was a video that you sent me about that setup.
Hmm. It's just good for remembering price. Where did price go? Where did it turn from? That type shit.
Right.
71.38. 40 pip move on that 4 hour candle. Last one.
40 pip move.
Right here from the opening, pretty much this high created to the close of this last candle when we open up the market. Yeah, it's like a 40 pip move.
Wow.
I caught a little Bitcoin trade too.
Mm.
Yeah.
Was
Saw
it a
markets
buy?
trend. It was a sell.
Okay.
Saw the markets trending lower. Caught a sell right before it started tanking below 30,000. I think I got in like at 30,000 something, 31,000.
Oh,
I don't know
nice.
where it is right now. Like at 20 something, 28. When the next game is?
Tomorrow.
Well, we Celtics up, huh?
No, it's tied. It's 2-2.
2-2. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
They just been going back and forth, huh? You win, I win.
Yep. Steph went crazy the last game. I missed it on Friday.
That nigga go
Boy.
crazy every game. Like that statement is true for every game he played. Boy, Steph went crazy the last game. And then you could say that the next game and talk about the last game he played. Yeah, nigga, that's a true statement. That nigga went crazy the last game.
Yeah, bro. I dropped like a nice 40 piece on him in Boston.
Ooh.
43 to be exact. I'm like, dang, how did I miss that? But I was busy. I was busy at
Yeah,
work. I didn't think they played um, Friday. I thought they was gonna play this weekend, but
gotcha.
play tomorrow.
122, 104.
Oh, so that 15-minute closed didn't. It reached the high of that previous 15-minute, but it did not. But it did not close above it. So
What you talking about on a rejection?
yeah, the 15-minute, it reached that high of the previous candle, but it didn't
Close above it, yeah.
close above. Yeah, I would have definitely got out if it did.
Gotcha. Looking like we got a wick to fill. If we get momentum to push up. Couple of wicks, but we do have rejections right here.
Yeah,
Where you got your stops at? Or where you looking to get out if it does go above that high? Or
yeah. If it goes above that high, so pretty much where I entered it, I'll just get out at break even.
gotcha.
Now, if this 15-minute closes or the hour closes below that other 15-minute, that's one of those setups that you be talking about, which are really nice. 15-minute closes below that 7,000 flat, and we could keep on moving.
Yeah. Yeah, I could see that.
Because that'll be an hourly closes too.
But that hourly close already bearish, so I would like to see a stronger pullback on the hourly close.
I got you.
to see that move set up. It's not really contesting nothing. That's why we're not really bearish. I mean bullish. I be getting those mixed up. We're not really bullish until we see a 4 hour close bullish.
True.
So we could
And
get all the
even
one
then,
hour closes.
and even then, it'll be like, you know, not a major, because if the 4 hour close is bullish, it's not a break of structure until it goes above that.
71.30,
Yep.
71.40, 35. Hey, yeah, you're right on that. Let's see. Oh yeah, that bitch burning, boy. I'm gonna show you. I got in there.
You still in that?
Why? Yes.
Dang.
They got $30. Man, that bitch at 25. Lord have mercy.
Yeah,
Yeah,
boy, you killing.
I ain't got really a lot of money in this account, but I just be, testing the waters because this is gonna be another little trading situation with all this volatility in Bitcoin because it's real easy. I ain't gonna say you could watch the news because the news late. Maybe you could catch it on Twitter and other little accounts, but it it, it moves very, very predictively, especially now.
Yeah,
Now that it's returning to all these structure points back in the 30s and the 20s. So it's
yeah.
bouncing around. Yeah, it's moving a lot, but yeah, man, niggas is sure eating on this, huh? That's for damn
That's crazy. But they say 355%.
sure.
Oh
Yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah, imagine it. Yeah, nigga had some bread in there. Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, bro. I need to. Yeah, for sure. In the near future.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Throw a few dollars over there, just some crypto, send a couple of 100,000. Oh yeah, you
Hmm.
doing some crucial things over there. And that's a real swing trader's mentality with the Bitcoin. It's more like stock trading in a sense.
I got you.
Yeah, so it ain't really I could for sure make money going up and down because the currencies got way more volatility. More money moving
Yeah,
through that. But yeah, man, shit crazy. And it ain't just Bitcoin. That's the thing about it. Like you could have you could divide your account size up by 10% and go short on Bitcoin, Ether, Luna, because they all going short.
so, yeah. They go follow. Yeah, the
Yeah, they gonna
mother.
all follow Bitcoin.
Yep.
They got them rare ones where they, doing crazy numbers bullish, but that's just a lot of the meme coins and small factor coins.
Right. See how this 15-minute closing, huh?
Oh yeah, it's
And
gone.
it's hourly. So yeah, I think
It's gone. It
it's
should break. I've been seeing too, boy. When you watching on a small time frame and it's look like it's about to break a strong zone, that bitch go through it fast,
oh yeah, small time frame. Yep.
and it shoot like you can't catch it
Yeah.
fast.
Like if you got clean, like super clean traffic, let's say on like a 5-15 minute, those I usually put orders in, like buy orders, little quick,
Yeah,
real quick, 10 to 15, and sometimes you can let those run, and you in a good position, but you don't want to get too caught up just looking at it. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, once you get into those, you put in your entry order and your exit on that trade.
facts.
So
Because you ain't
because it's
trying to
gonna hit it
catch 30 out of that.
exactly,
Because it's on a
exactly.
5-15.
Yeah, and like you said, you're going to profits real quick,
Facts.
real quick.
So basically, your target is just a next level of zone, which is
On the
only going to be 10, 15 pips at max.
yep,
Anyway, so yeah, you're right about that. There's a lot of people that trade that method only, just looking for a 5 minute to break to a next zone, which I find very scary because they don't even look at the higher time frames for confirmation of trend. They just go out the 5 minute, 15 minute only.
yeah. I mean, if you only looking at that only, then yeah, you a true scalper.
Facts.
But I'm more of like a day trader. I get my scalps in, here and there, but for the most part, I'm day trading,
Yeah.
trying to trying to catch a potential swing. But yeah, I'll sit in the trade for a day, easy.
Facts. Because I
Yeah,
mean, overall, you already got the bias of the move. You just trying to catch. You just trying to get in when you fit in.
yep.
Simple as that. So, what you thinking it's gonna do for the rest of the night? You think we might see some price move up into these wicks that we opened at? Maybe try to take out this last previous week high,
I
or you think we just gonna melt and continue selling?
I think we might just continue selling, just the way looking at the way the week closed. Um,
Let's pull up the week.
I think that small wick up that it did, I think now it may retest, but I don't think it's gonna do it right now. I think they have more dropping to do.
Yeah, I would really like for that weekly to close below this area. I mean, it didn't close below this candle. That's basically what I'm saying. But it did come real close to it, and this continuation closed below it, broke through it. So that is, but all that I
Yeah.
can say, we closed below this,
Yes.
definitely.
Yep.
You know, mm,
So he was posting those Colorado pictures, man.
mhm.
That was a fire trip, huh?
Man, it just posted up in my memories on my phone. I was like, man, I gotta show my brother this shit.
Yeah, that was fire.
Nah, it was. Especially that trip, like staying where we stayed at.
At that yurt, yeah.
Man, Crazy experience.
That's what it's about, man.
Nah, facts. We coming to a close on this hour. It's 15 minutes.
hmm
Hourly looking like we will close below the previous candle.
That's important.
Yeah,
Really important.
I see lower lows get created.
Right.
With that being said, we're gonna come to an end on this live analysis. Um, our first target of 7,000 or 70 cents pretty much didn't get touched to the T, but it's hovering at that area. So we go monitor that. We do have another potential area could reach, which is right here, 69.50. If it breaks below this area clean, we got wicks on, I think, on the 4 hour to hourly down here. So that's an area we could potentially hit. But if not, we got some strong wicks that we created as we open on this Sunday. Maybe the market may want to push up into that. Who knows? It's all about being patient and waiting.
Yep. That's what the big bucks are made.
100%. With that being said, gonna wrap this one up. Another one in the books, and we'll see y'all again next Sunday at 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, dropping these analysis.
You already know.
All right, brother. Well, I'll chop it up with you throughout the week, and whatever I see, I will keep you posted, and vice versa.
Got you. I got you, man.
All right, my boy.
All right, man. You too, brother.
All right, peace.
Peace.